Welcome to our complete guide on fixing sound issues with the Logitech G435 headset. Let's dive into troubleshooting. First, check the battery level and ensure your headset is properly charged. A low battery can often lead to sound issues. Next, confirm that your Bluetooth connection is stable and properly connected to your device. Make sure to adjust the audio settings on your connected device. Check the volume levels and ensure the right output is selected. Open the Logitech G Hub software and verify the headset settings. This ensures everything is configured properly. Inspect your headset for any physical damage. Look for frayed cables or cracked ear cups that might affect sound quality. If issues persist, you can reset your Logitech G435 back to factory settings. This often resolves many unexpected problems. Check for any firmware or driver updates for your headset. Keeping your software updated is crucial for optimal performance.